Ever wonder how celebrities look so effortlessly chic just grabbing coffee? It's not about designer labels or huge budgets. The real secret is intention, confidence, fit, and smart styling tricks. It's about balancing proportions, adding a statement piece, and building on strong basics. Once you know the formula, you can make it your own, no matter your budget. Today, I'll break down the real secrets behind A-list street style and show you how to adapt them for your life. Let's get started. Zendaya is the queen of sleek modern style, and she's become a true fashion icon for her ability to make even the simplest looks feel extraordinary. Whether she's on the red carpet or just out and about, Zendaya always manages to turn heads with her signature approach to dressing. And her go-to move? Monochrome. She's mastered the art of wearing a single color from head to toe, creating a look that's both effortless and incredibly chic. She rocks head-to-toe neutrals, think cream, camel, or olive, for instant polish. These shades are timeless, versatile, and always look expensive, no matter your budget. The key is impeccable tailoring. Nothing too tight or loose, just perfectly skimming her frame. Zendaya's outfits always look custom-made, but you don't need a celebrity budget to get this effect. You can achieve this with any budget. Just find pieces that fit, and don't be afraid of a tailor. Even small adjustments, like hemming pants or taking in a jacket, can make a huge difference in how polished you look. Another secret? She mixes textures within the same color family. Think a silky blouse, linen trousers, and a chunky knit sweater. This adds depth and dimension, making the outfit feel rich and thoughtfully styled. This keeps the look rich and interesting, not flat. Layering different materials in similar shades is a subtle way to show off your style savvy. Then, she adds a single pop of color, maybe a bold lip, vibrant heels, or a unique bag. This unexpected accent draws the eye and gives the outfit a personal twist. That one accent makes the outfit feel intentional and personal. It's a way to express your mood or personality without overwhelming the look. To try it yourself, pick a neutral you love, maybe soft beige, cool gray, or deep olive. Start with a base, then layer in different textures for visual interest. Finally, add one standout accessory. It could be a statement necklace, a colorful bag, or even a pair of eye-catching shoes. It's a simple formula for major luxury vibes, and it works for any occasion: work, brunch, or a night out. Monochrome isn't boring. It's quietly powerful, sophisticated, and always in style. It lets your confidence and personality shine through. Try it, and see how elevated you feel. You might be surprised at how much impact a single color look can have on your mood and your style. Blazers are my signature, and there's a reason I keep coming back to them season after season. They're the ultimate wardrobe chameleon, instantly elevating any look, yet never feeling overdone. Hailey Bieber, for example, absolutely nails the modern blazer look. She's become a style icon for making blazers feel fresh, young, and totally wearable for everyday life. The trick? It's all about proportion play. Go for an intentionally oversized blazer with strong, structured shoulders and a boxy cut. This silhouette gives you that cool, borrowed from the boys vibe, but still looks sharp and put together. Underneath, keep it simple and unfussy. A basic cropped tee or tank is perfect. The simplicity underneath lets the blazer take center stage and keeps the look feeling effortless. This contrast, structured blazer, casual tee, creates a vibe that's cool, not corporate. It's the secret to making a blazer feel relaxed instead of stuffy. For bottoms, reach for relaxed, straight leg or baggy jeans. This combo gives you that effortless street style edge and makes the whole outfit feel approachable and modern. The looseness on the bottom perfectly balances the oversized top, so you never look overwhelmed by fabric. It's all about harmony in your silhouette. Accessories are where you can really have fun and pull the look together. Think gold jewelry layered over your tee, sleek sunglasses for a touch of glam, and a structured bag to add polish. For shoes, you have options: sneakers for a sporty twist, heels for a dressier vibe, or loafers for that classic borrowed from the boys feel. Pick whatever fits your mood or the occasion. The high-low mix is key here. Polish meets comfort, and you get the best of both worlds. It's a look that feels intentional, but never forced. The best part? This formula works for everyone, no matter your style or body type. It's endlessly adaptable and always looks like you put thought into your outfit. Want to switch things up? Try swapping in a leather or pinstripe blazer for extra edge and personality. Don't be afraid to experiment with color or texture either. Remember, it's about balance, not perfection. Play with proportions, trust your instincts, and have fun making the look your own. Make the blazer your hero piece, and let it tell your style story every time you wear it. Gigi Hadid turns cargo pants into high fashion. She embraces their volume, khaki, olive, or denim, and makes them the statement. The secret: balance the baggy pants with a fitted or cropped top for instant shape. Then, add a glam twist. Pearls, pointed heels, or a bold bag. It's the mix of tough and chic that makes her look pop. Start with cargos you love, add a sleek top, and finish with a standout accessory. Don't be afraid to play with contrasts. The real secret behind every great look? Classic basics. These timeless pieces are the backbone of any stylish wardrobe, quietly working behind the scenes to make every outfit look intentional and put together. No matter your personal style, classic basics are the foundation that allow you to express yourself with confidence and ease. A perfect white tee, find your ideal fit and fabric, anchors endless outfits. Whether you're dressing it up with a blazer or keeping it casual with jeans, a crisp white tee is endlessly versatile and always in style. It's the piece you'll reach for again and again, season after season. A tailored blazer, not just oversized, instantly polishes any look. It sharpens your silhouette and adds a touch of sophistication, whether you're heading to a meeting or out for dinner. The right blazer can transform even the simplest outfit into something special. Great fitting pants, high-waisted trousers or jeans are non-negotiable. They flatter your shape, boost your confidence, and serve as the perfect base for any top or layer. When you find a pair that fits just right, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Focus on fit over trends. A straight-leg jean in a dark wash is timeless. It's a style that works for every body type and every occasion, from casual weekends to more polished events. Trends come and go, but a great pair of jeans will always be in style. Basics are your wardrobe's glue, making statement pieces shine. They let your favorite colors, prints, and accessories take center stage, while still keeping your look balanced and cohesive. With the right basics, you can experiment with trends without ever feeling overdone. Invest in quality where you can, but prioritize fit above all. A well-fitting basic will always look more expensive and feel more comfortable than something trendy that doesn't suit your shape. Pay attention to details like stitching, fabric, and how each piece moves with you. With these essentials, getting dressed is effortless. You'll spend less time worrying about what to wear and more time enjoying how you feel in your clothes. Basics take the guesswork out of style, making every morning a little bit easier. They're the foundation for every style move you make. Start with basics, then layer on your personality. Whether that's a bold necklace, a colorful scarf, or a standout pair of shoes. The possibilities are endless when you have a strong base. Build your closet around them, and you'll never feel stuck. Basics aren't boring, they're powerful. They give you the freedom to create, mix, and match, so you always feel like the best version of yourself no matter the occasion. Start with these, and everything else falls into place. With classic basics as your starting point, your style will always feel fresh, effortless, and uniquely you. Statement outerwear transforms any outfit. Think of it as your style's exclamation point. A classic trench in camel or khaki adds instant sophistication to anything. Leather jackets bring edge, whether moto, blazer, or trench style. Don't shy away from bold colors or patterns in oversized blazers. They show confidence. Keep the rest simple so your outerwear shines. Explore textures, teddy coats, wool in jewel tones, or silky bombers. These pieces get you noticed and become your signature. Let your coat do the talking. Make your first impression count. Fit is everything, especially for trousers and jeans. Ignore trends, try different cuts until you find what flatters you most. High-waisted wide-leg trousers elongate, straight leg is always chic. For jeans, focus on rise and leg shape. Find your perfect pair and stick with it. Tailoring is the real game changer. Almost no one gets a perfect fit off the rack. A small alteration makes affordable pants look designer. When your bottoms fit perfectly, your whole outfit and confidence levels up. Find a good tailor and invest in fit. The right pants change everything. It's the smartest style move you can make. Accessories are the punctuation of your outfit. Choose wisely. One statement shoe can transform a basic look into a fashion moment. Belts aren't just functional. A unique buckle or chain belt adds instant character. A structured bag, vintage or high street, elevates even casual outfits. Let one accessory be the hero. Don't overdo it. If your shoes are bold, keep the bag simple and vice versa. Sunglasses, scarves, or chunky rings can all be your signature. Build your look around that standout piece. Accessories show your personality. Make them count. Here are the stylist tricks that make any outfit pop. Master the tuck, full or French, for instant polish and shape. Roll or push up your sleeves for a relaxed, lived-in vibe. Layer intentionally. Play with lengths and textures for depth. Try the intentional slouch. Leave a few buttons undone or drape your jacket. Embrace contrast. Pair feminine with edgy, fancy with casual. These small tweaks add personality and confidence. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for effortless. Mix high and low, hard and soft. These hacks are what make street style memorable. Experiment and find what feels right for you. The details matter. That's how you stand out. Celebrity style doesn't require celebrity budgets. Break down the look you love into key pieces, then hunt for affordable versions. High street stores and thrifting are goldmines for on-trend finds. Prioritize fit and fabric. Tailoring cheap pieces makes them look luxe. Mix price points. Invest in one great item. Pair with budget basics. Thrift for unique, high-quality gems. The secret is a strategic mix, not a big spend. Style is about creativity, not cost. The real goal? Make these tips your own. Adapt trends to fit your body, lifestyle, and taste. Build go-to outfit formulas for your real life. Errands, work, nights out. Focus on quality, sustainability, and pieces you truly love. Add personal touches, jewelry, colors, vintage finds that tell your story. Your signature style is about authenticity, not imitation. Take inspiration, but always filter it through your unique lens. The most stylish people look like themselves. That's it. The secrets to A-list street style. No celebrity budget required. It's about fit, confidence, and making each look your own. Play in your closet, try these ideas, and share your style. True style is about how you feel, not who wore it first. Thanks for watching. Now go turn the streets into your runway. Keep slaying. If you love style inspiration, trend updates, and practical fashion advice, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Join our community for more tips, looks, and all things fashion. Your next style upgrade is just a click away.